Okay, on to the next topic, which is what are the best cars for Uber drivers? So these are the 11 best cars for Uber and Lyft drivers in 2022. Okay, so number one is the Honda, looks like the Honda Civic. Okay, the next one, Toyota Venza.
Oh,
I never heard of that one.
same.
You want to read?
Wow, up to 40 mpg in the city. It's pretty good.
That's really good. Cars, I swear,
Yeah.
cars are getting better and better every year.
Yeah, for real.
Like, this is a freaking huge SUV, and it gets 40 miles a gallon in the city? You want to keep reading?
Yeah, so with its smooth ride, you likely won't be sore at the end of a long shift. The Venza's hybrid powertrain is refined, and it's no slouch. Getting up to speed is almost effortless. There's a roomy cabin. That's really important if you're gonna have passengers in your car. There's a lot of legroom in the back. And they have a bunch of other features like wireless device charging and 4 USB ports.
Oh, wow.
This does sound like a good car for Uber and Lyft because a lot of people like to, plug in their phone.
Mm-hmm.
So if there's 4 USB ports, and even like if you have multiple passengers, they can all do that at the same time.
Guys, comment below. What do you think is the best car for Uber and Lyft?
Yeah.
Next one, Kia Sorento Hybrid. Guys, they're putting on new cars on here. Don't buy a new car for Uber. Come on.
Yeah.
Ford Escape. This is the car that I use for Uber and Lyft. Except mine's a 2011 though. That I bought for $5,000. Hyundai Elantra. Or Hyundai Elantra, sorry.
Yeah. Those are good.
It's only 20 grand too. So if you buy it used, you could probably get it for like less than 10.
Yeah. Just get like a 2021.
A Lexus.
Doesn't that qualify for, Uber Comfort? Yeah.
Where are these new cars? I've never heard of a Honda Insight.
Yeah, I've never heard of that either.
I guess they're coming out with they're probably these new hybrid electric cars or whatever.
Yeah. I've never heard of that one either.
Toyota Avalon. I've heard of Elantra.
Yeah, that one looks nice.
Honda Accord? I've never heard of Honda Accord. What is that, like an accordion or something?
Oh, I have.
I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Honda Civic, of course. Honda Civic, Honda Accord. I would say anything, guys, that's like Honda, Ford Fusion, like Toyota Camry, like all these mainstream cars that are really like built to last forever, like 300,000 miles. They're really easy to...
they're super reliable.
Yeah, they're cheap to repair. Like, I would say stick to those cars.
Yeah.
What